Why do we go beyond automation? See, traditional automation was all about scripting fixed workflows and rules. The goal was to save time on repetitive tasks. We can think about macros in Excel or RPA, robotic process automation, which follows a set of instructions. It is just repetitive and boring. See, this approach was valuable, but it was limited. It could only handle what it was told to do explicitly. Now we are transitioning to modern AI. So modern AI systems are fundamentally different, right? They can perceive, reason, and act with autonomy, much more autonomy. Instead of just following the rules, modern AI can interpret data, make decisions, and adapt its actions based on new information. So this is shifting how products and platforms and organizations operate. So what is the opportunity here and what is the risk? Well, it does create both opportunities and risks. So the biggest risk is those who can design and govern AI systems are people who can understand how to build, validate, and manage these intelligence systems. But those who only use AI systems, they rely on pre-built solutions without understanding how they work or how to adapt to them. Right? So, so this is a risk with the widening gap between these two kinds of people. So what's the message here? It in the future of work, it is not going to be enough to just use AI tools. You need to develop practical AI capabilities that map to real world roles in product, tech, and business. The people who can design, build, and govern AI systems will be the ones who stay relevant, right? So you have to either design, build, or govern. Governance is there for everybody. So here's a quote: AI is no longer about tools. It's about who stays relevant and who gets replaced. AI is no longer about tools. It's about who stays relevant and who gets replaced.